Like, where's that coming from? Dude, why do I keep on hearing the sound of a plane landing? If you were in the landing, that's probably what you would hear. Oh, no, that was, I don't know what's going on here.
Right there's one taking off.
Here it comes. Not the one with the door open.
No, follow it!
If that's the same plane, that would be weird.
Is that the same plane that the door's still open?
No.
That's all I can see is like a little bit of a shiny bit in the sky, and there's another one moving. Here, get down now.
Look, there's another one. It's cool.
Hey, you're too late.
It's very loud.
Or if we're gonna see it, or if it takes off in a different spot. Oh wait, what is that up in the sky?
Oh, right there, right there. There it is, Mom.
I see it.
I don't know. That's the same plane. Weird, like, why is it?
You're gonna go over there and see it better?
Let us get in.
Don't worry, go get on the bench and watch it. You should be able to get a good one of that.
It's gonna take off from. No. The passenger plane, I think. Yeah, it is. It's gonna take. They better not crash into each other. And then we would be able to see the fire team come over. That's the same plane, Mason. Why are we in a time loop? Because it keeps on taking off. That's the same plane.
Another one. This might be coming this way. Get up there and
What are those bugs type?
those are grasshoppers.
It's like they're biting their teeth 10,000 times.
There's a helicopter over there.
Helicopter. I don't see it. Weird.
See the helicopter, bud?
Helicopter. I see it.
Yep, that's the helicopter.
Mom, I want to see a helicopter take off.
Well, it just landed. Can you see it? It's landing.
Why is that landed on there? Mom, what landed there? The helicopter take off. Mom, I want to see a helicopter take off.
There's so many annoying bugs trying to get me.
Here comes one landing too, I think. We got one landing and two trying to take off.
Yeah.
I want to see a helicopter take off, not airplane.
argue. Be happy.
Because I want to see what it looks like when they take off.
Okay, we're gonna watch these two take off right now.
Yep, there's definitely two.